This video is an online tutorial on how to utilize the Fossil Fabricator online interactive. What's fantastic about this online interactive game is that it allows you to select different variables in order to attempt to create a fossil, and it clearly demonstrates how difficult it is to become a fossil even when you select the variables such as how you die or how you're discovered. So as you're utilizing this interactive, it has different options for you, and when you hover over each one of these options, it has a short description that might give you some important clues on how to successfully create a fossil. I'm just going to decide to be killed by a predator. Select next. I think it would be nice to die in a prairie or a river. I feel like over time, let's try dry and hot. And for the last variable, how am I discovered, I'm gonna try accidental. I'm accidentally discovered. So what I like about this interactive is I select all these variables, and then over millions and millions of years, it'll demonstrate whether or not I was able to successfully become a fossil. And in this case, it said, "Unfortunately, sorry, you failed to make a fossil. Your bones were exposed to scavenging animals and the elements and decayed long before they ever became a fossil." So I would like you to attempt to create a fossil at least 10 times, and you're going to use those results in your analysis.